Morning, nephew Gary. I heard Uncle Roger was having trouble finding someone that could make decent fried rice. So we thought this morning, egg fried rice for breakfast. Why not? We're out at Victory Cove. We're out in the ocean. We're gonna make some camping rice. Everybody should have the supplies on their boat. When you go to the ocean, you gotta have everything you need. It only takes 3 steps to make egg fried rice. Step 1, let's do a little prep. Crack 3 eggs. So before we get started, I know I've got to sport some orange. Orange is the only color you can wear when you're cooking egg fried rice. I don't have an orange polo. There isn't one available, but I do have some orange. So you got to put your orange on first. Now we're ready to cook. 3 eggs. Whisk, can't use a whisk. Throw that away. Chopsticks, gotta have chopsticks in your boat. Two cloves of garlic. Three shallots. I always have them on my boat. A few bamboo shoots. Always stock them on the boat. Never know when you might need them. Spring onion. Got to have lots of onions. First we got to do is season our frying pan. Not a frying pan. Hiya! Hiya! Got to use a wok. Only one way to do it. Everybody's got one in their boat. First thing, we need olive oil. No olive oil. Got to use peanut oil. That way, anybody with allergies is weeded out. Season it. Heat it up. Gonna make it smoke. First thing in, start with your eggs. Okay, set your eggs aside. We'll come back to them. Garlic, onions, bamboo, Green onions. Spring onion. Yesterday's rice, fresh out of my rice cooker. Can't have fresh rice. If you use fresh rice that hasn't been cooled off, it'll make horrible rice. Now punch it. Okay, let's get those eggs back in there. Give it a toss. Not bad. A little bit of soy sauce, not too much. Okay, let's go to the plate. Okay, let's take it to the plate. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Need to finish it off with a few more green onions, some spring onions, make it look good. And for the authentic ocean, fresh spot prawn. There it is. Egg fried rice. Oh, that's good. Hopefully, this gets me uncle status. Anybody can make it. Come on, Uncle Roger, help me out here.
I hear my ancestors crying.